my school, we like to attract more native bees. So where should we put the bee hotels?
Well, look, these ones are really flexible because you can hang them in lots of different locations. But I reckon on a tree like this grevillea, that would be perfect. So, you know, I reckon somewhere there you could hang that one. Make sure when you hang it, tilt it a little bit forward, just in case any rain comes and then it doesn't fill up with water, you know, just a little tip. And, you know, you can cover them. You can cover them in paper bark like that just so that they don't stick out as much and they won't get as hot. The other place you could do it is on a fence like this. You could easily just put it over there and twist it into position. And, you know, that's kind of it gets some sun, but not the really hot western sun, so it's protected. The main wind is coming this way, so it's not going to blow windy there. And that would be a happy little home. And it's up here where they're flying around, and they'd come over and have a look and think, oh, that looks like I better get online and book a room. And they'll book a room without a question.
Should we also put them near flowers?
Yeah, well, that's another thing, because they're the two main things that we need to encourage to get the native bees to establish in our gardens. We need a home and we need food. And their food source is the flowers. So you could then plant more native flowers, put them in your native gardens, put them in and around your vegetable gardens as well, because the native bees will pollinate all sorts of flowering plants, which is great. And I mean, the good thing about this, Emily, is that this is all recycled materials. You know, everyone's got tins at home. You can find some old bamboo, cut it up, put it in. You can also get pieces of wood and just drill holes in them and put pieces of wood in there as well. You can use Banksia cones, you can use pine needles, you can use lots of things. But these are actually really quite well proven that the native bees will come to those little bamboo rooms, and they'll book them up. So it's worth doing.